Hello, everybody. Today we're going to do a little bit of a crash course on accident avoidance. Crash course? Really? Anyway, before we get into anything else in this video, I just want to address one objection that some of you might have about what I did in this video, and that is, why couldn't I just slam on the brakes and stop? Well, I could have, but you have to realize the van that I drive, when it's completely unloaded, weighs about 4.5 tons. Now, with it fully loaded with all my gear and equipment in the back, plus me driving in it, you can easily add about another 1,000 pounds to that. So, in reality, the vehicle I'm driving is about 5.5 tons, maybe 6 tons, which is about 2 or 3 times more heavier than your smaller type sedan, Toyota Corolla type car deal that you might drive normally. Now, the van can stop, but it's difficult and I prefer not to sometimes, if I could avoid it. In this situation, I was able to. Now, as we zoom in on this footage here, you can see that the semi-trailer up there, it's quite a few car lengths ahead. It's about to pull over to the side road, causing the traffic all in the right lane to have to stop and slow down. I had a few seconds to react to it. My first instinct was, of course, to slam on the brakes, but I saw that the lane to the right of me was empty. I had a pretty good escape plan, so I merged to the right, and of course I found a spot later on to merge back in. Now, slamming on your brakes is not always the best solution if you can avoid it. If you can find a space or on the shoulder where you can pull off and pull back in, that's usually better, and especially for a large vehicle like mine. People can't see around me. They don't know that there's traffic piling up, and I could have been rear-ended, or I could have risked rear-ending the car in front of me. But accident avoided. Everyone lives happily ever after until the next traffic jam, and there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this crash course on accident avoidance. I will work on a better title for this later. Have a great day.